Beautifully balcony grill designs offers a variety of advantages, blending aesthetic appeal with functionality. So friends, in this video we are going to know what are the advantages and what are the points to consider and what will be the price for making the balcony grill designs for your house. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the video. Here are the some key benefits. Like first one is the increase safety. Balcony grills offer a crucial safety barrier, preventing the accidental falls. With sturdy and well designed grills, you can safely enjoy the outdoor space without worry, which is especially beneficial for families with children. Another benefit is improve the privacy. Depending on the design, balcony grills can provide an additional layer of privacy. Designs with different patterns, like in this video you can see there are the beautiful patterns designs are available, and also the view from outside while maintaining airflow and the light. Another benefit is the well designed balcony grill can elevate the overall look of your building or home, whether opting for intricate patterns, moderns, minimalist, or classic ironwork. A beautiful grill design adds style and a visual appeal. Another advantage is its durability. High quality balcony grills made from materials like iron, steel, or aluminum are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. This durability means they are long lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Another benefit is the customization. Balcony grill designs comes in a variety of styles and materials, allowing the customization to match architectural aesthetics, personal taste, or specific themes, making it easier to personalize your space. Another one is the low maintenance. Well designed and coated grill require minimal maintenance, regular cleaning, and occasional paint touch-ups keeps them looking fresh and free from rust, making them practical as well as stylish. It also the increase the property value. A beautifully designed grills and functional can enhance the property's market value, making it more attractive to potential buyers or re-enters that by increasing its resale or the rental value. So let's know what will be the price for making the balcony grill designs. In India, the price for balcony iron grills generally varies based on factors like design complexity, material quality, and region. Basic iron grills are priced around 120 per square feet, 120 rupees per square feet to 250 rupees per square feet. So while more interacting on heavy duty options may range from 300 to 500 per square feet. Some premium designs can go even higher, especially if custom features are added. Stainless steel grills, often preferred for their durability, can cost around rupees 500 rupees per square kilogram. But while installing a balcony grill, you have to consider some important points. Like first one is the material selection. Common options include stainless steel, wrought iron, mild steel. So choose a material based on durability, maintenance needs, and as per your requirement, and resistance to weather. Rust resistant metal like stainless steel or powder coated options are ideal for the outdoor settings. Another one is the design and aesthetics. Decide between fixed grill or sliding removable one for versatility. Choose a design that complements your home exterior Consider horizontal or vertical grille design based on overall appearance. You prefer any privacy concerns. Another one is the safety and security. Ensure the grill is steady and tamper proof to prove security. For homes with small children, consider design that prevent climbing or slipping through the bars. So do not give that much gap in your grills. Another one is the ventilation and light. Ensure the grill design does not obstruct ventilation or natural light. Grills with wider gaps or open patterns allow the different airflow and light penetration. Another one is the privacy. Some grills can be designed to provide additional privacy if privacy is a concern. So choose a pattern that limits the view into your balcony. So friends, in this video you will found the different types of grill designs with different materials. So friends, if you have any queries, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like our designs, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.